how to make horizontal video vertical in Capcut. So if you use Capcut to edit your video, or you're a novice or beginner and you have an horizontal video you want to make vertical using Capcut, then here's a video for you. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to make horizontal video vertical in Capcut. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to make horizontal video vertical in Capcut is go ahead and open the Capcut app on your phone. So just go ahead, search for Capcut and then open it. Now once you open the Capcut app, hang on while it opens. Then you want to start a new project. Click on new project. Then once you selected new project, select the video you want to convert from horizontal to vertical. So it must be an horizontal video that you want to convert to vertical. So scroll through your page and find the vertical video. So let's say this. Then once you selected the video just like this, click on add. Then you should see the video added as horizontal. Now to convert this video to vertical, the first thing you want to do here is come to this navigation and then select your aspect ratio. Once you selected aspect ratio, select 9:16. Then click on this check button to save changes. Now, once the video is converted to vertical, swipe through again without selecting the video. So do not select the video. If you selected the video, you'll not be able to get the best out of this. So just swipe through again, then select background at the bottom right. Then once you select the background, click on blur. Then click on the most blur part, then click on check. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to make sure that the background of the video is blurred. Is that? Now, once you selected blur, select this and then click on apply to all and then check. Then you should see all other sections of the horizontal video blocked and then converted to vertical. And once you're done converting the video back to vertical, you can just go ahead and click on export at the top right. Then the video will be exported as a vertical video instead of horizontal. You see that? Then hang on. Then once it's exported, you can just go ahead and click on the play button to play it. So that is basically how to make horizontal video vertical in Capcut. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.